because my circle ring thing it raised up, so I kind of have to stand back here. I'll show you what you mean, because when I'm right here, like, this is where I normally like film, but since it's up here, I'm just like, hey, let me show you what I mean. This is what I mean, because like it went up, like I literally can barely even reach it, and then yeah. So that's why I have you guys up here for right now, and somewhat trying not to show you guys. So yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you guys my squishy collection, so let's get on with it. Okay, so I'm not going to be going in really any specific order. I'm just going to be putting them in, some order that I really want to do, because I really don't know, so let's get on with it. So the first ones I'm going to be doing are my minis, so I'll get those out. Okay, so this is the first one. Next one is this bun. Don't quite know what that is, but okay. Next one is this really weird thing that I have no idea what that is. I'm just going to be throwing them out. This one is panda bun, and these are all my minis, if you were wondering, if you didn't hear what I said. It's marshmallow, I think. This I Am Tokyo slipper. Yeah, instead of capybaras on, because I'm not rich. So, yeah. Okay, the next one is this pink waffle. Sorry, I have no polish on my nails because I did I think maybe 100 layers of nail polish, but somewhat of that. Next one is this cat mushroom spaghetti. I'm trying not to talk that much because you guys know plenty of these. This peach. This alcorn bun, I guess that's what it is. I really don't know. The next one is this I'm in Tokyo pear bread. I have a yellow one, and a couple different ones. This thing that I have no idea what that is. Comment down below, or at least somewhat of what you can, of what you think this is, because I really don't know. It's so confusing. Next one is this one. And I also have this pink one, so I have yellow and a pink one, and then I also have another one. I have two of these too. And two of these. And I also have like two of these. Remember this one and then pink one. Sorry, I just had an avalanche in my squishy bucket. This is the other one. So I have an orange one, yellow one, and a pink one. And two of these too. These cute little french fries. Sorry if you hear my stepdad in the background. I don't mean for that to happen, but I guess. And then this one that I told you that I love. And that is all of my minis. I can't even fit all of them in the frame. But yeah, now I'm going to be showing you guys my really, really like destroyed and affected ones. Okay, so these are all of my destroyed and affected ones. They literally say destroyed squishies. So here they are. So I have this bread squishy, this cute little unicorn squishy that's actually really cute. So you can see like I patched at least somewhat of it up. I actually did a pretty nice job of doing that. And it's really soft too. But I have like two of these, I'm pretty sure. But cool. Next one we have is this one, this really fat unicorn, but like you can see like the paint, it's like flaking off. Yeah. Huge rip, and it's just like, yeah. It's literally peeling, and it literally has an air bubble right down here. And, yeah. So, it's from Orb. Yeah. So, you're just supposed to, like, fill it up with, like, slime, and then it comes out, which is kind of weird. And then we have is this soft and slow cake. Kind of hard for me to squish, but I can literally fit my whole entire finger through. Like, I'm not kidding. Yeah. So, that is all of my destroyed ones. Now I'm going to be showing you guys my, I guess, common squishies. So let's get on with that. Okay, so my common squishies live in this purple bin. That's a little sneak peek, so I will dump them all out and I will show you guys them. Okay, so the first one is this panda bun with the pink bow. This one is really defected, but it's really soft too, and I like it. Back into the bin. Next we have is this cake that actually my friend got me for Christmas, so thanks. And then I have this other Allen Corn squishy that I was talking about. Very slow rising. Then we have this purple unicorn that literally my dog like chewed up right there in there, but it's fine. It's really soft too, so that's fine. Next we have this pineapple, and the last one is this planet squishy, and that is all of my common squishies. Now I will be going on to my homemade squishies. Okay, so my homemade squishies are in this bag, so I'm going to take them out. You guys right down there. Don't look at the ceiling. So they're in this bag, and I will take them out. So the first one is this one that I made. I just put paint on it, but then I also made this one that is really, really like soft and slow rising. I think I made a video of this one. Yeah. So those are just in this green bag. And yeah, those can fly. And in the very last bin I have is my jumbo squishy and all of the packaging, so I will show that to you guys. So let's get on with it. Okay, so this is the pink bin, the last bin, and oh dang it, I just gave you guys a little sneak peek. But yeah, this is the squishy. It is ginormous. It is like, this is my hand compared to this, or like the jumbo panda bun, any jumbo panda bun compared to that. Like, it could literally get stuck in there. Like, you could get lost in there. But yeah, it's really pretty. I actually got this for my birthday, so I really like that. And here are all the packagings. Here is this soft and slow, the one that I got with the planet. Then this Be Yummy one that came with the Alcorn, and it also came with this thing. And then Awesome Squishies, I think. Awesome Squishy. Uni, that was the purple unicorn that I got. So, and they just live in there, because I really don't use the packaging. I just really like it. I don't know why. But yeah, so that is my whole entire squishy collection. Wait a second. There we go. Now that is my whole entire squishy collection. Now I'm kind of overwhelmed, but yeah, that is so many squishy scratches. But yeah, and I hope you guys liked this week's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.